Alright, let's get started on a $500 ticket on this cash explosion. And I'm gonna run with $3 bets. And actually no, let's do 3. So that is the best symbol, and if you get it all the way across with the symbol and a dynamite, that's when you can get paid. The moons look like they create multipliers. Get some sound going there. Tens. What are you gonna do? Oh, a couple multiply. Go, go, go. Aces all the way. That's $10. Plus the line hit. So that's nice. Kaboom. I'm trying to figure out how I knew that. Like, you just got to get it across like Buffalo, right? So ace, king, queen, all those all the way with the dynamite. And if you get these symbols, it's that. And if you get the moons with that, like, yeah. That's how you get the good stuff. Go, go! Oh my gosh! That was making a nice push there. That was making a nice push. That's close. Major is at 777. That's an interesting number. 777. Oh, the fires were... There's just nothing over there for it to connect. Jacks. Hey. Jacks times 8. Very nice. Aces. Oh, they made it. What do you got? A 3? Okay. There we go. Get some nice line hits. We had 2 of them. There's nothing to line up. Oh, the 9s! No! There was nothing else with it. Ace made it. Ace made it. There we go. We're at $10. Alright, now let's hope we get a moon. We want the moon. Moon me. Oh, no moon. So $13 there. Because the line hit was worth $3. Dogs all the way, and a 2x. Okay. Nice. There we go. Double moon. Hopefully one of these 2 finds a multiplier. Let's get that 10x. Boom. There's also like a random glitter roll that can happen too, where you can pick some fun things. Hey, 3x. So that'll be $19 in total. Very nice. So that with the 2 dynamite, what that means is you would have got 2 of that. Go! Yes, that's 50. Hell yeah. Very nice. Dude, plus the line hit itself, so $60. Wait. That's the free games. I am what? Okay, so for Carly's sake, I know she loves that, but let's go with the 5x, 5, 8, and 10. Yeah, let's do that. I know she loves the max free games possible. Here we go. Let's make it happen. For some reason, I thought that was the $50 minor bonus. Clearly, I'm in La La Land. Go. Okay, what do we got? 5x with the queens and the aces and lots of ands. Oh, we got all the way, but there was nothing to connect for a mini. Oh, I am just not used to these symbols yet. It's messing with me. Doggy, where are you? We need more moons. Oh, there's the dog. Of course, after. I don't need him. And then there's a double dog. You little troll. I guess the multipliers of this bonus doesn't matter if you don't get all the way. 5x? Okay. Doggy? Oh, there's no dog. Well, what do we got? 5x? Okay. Couple bucks. 3 more spins and a dream. All right. Cool. So those are the free games, it must be. So I need 3 of those. Now I understand what that is. For some weird reason, I thought that was one of the other symbols. I guess it's not. Go, baby, go. Almost. That would have been sick if that got one more line over. Again, 1 short. Wow. That's some good action so far. Can we... Oh, ace. There we go. That'll be 13. No moon for a multiplier. Very fun. Very nice. Oh, I thought you... That was almost another 5x. Just missed it again. What are you gonna give me? 3? Alright. Hell yeah. Very nice. Where's my ace? That's a free game. Yes. Alright. $15 start. So when we had all of them, it was worth 60. Got it. Okay. Yellow. I'm feeling the moons. The moons are coming. Give me a 3-stack moon, please. Oh, didn't touch anything. Go moons, go moons. Yes! There we go. Give me the 30. Okay, 20. That's gotta be good. That's 60 bucks. Very nice. Moon, moon. Come on. 30, 30, 30. Yes! Hell yeah. That's another 15 bucks. All right, buddy. Aces, and we got moons, and we got moons. Come on, baby. I need another 30 out of you. Give me a 30 yummy. This is 10 bucks. That'll get me to 100. And then you're gonna 30 the hell out of me right now. 30 the hell out of me. Oh, 15. Okay, that's a nice one. At 145. 9s. What do you got? 15. Okay. 2 symbols got hit there, so at 150 already. Go. Oh, if you would have came down, my pretty. 10. 10. Okay, 30. What is with your 15? I need you to bump them rookie numbers up. 164 though. Is that something? No, it's not. Last spin. 9, 9, 9. Oh, $164. All right. Well, we'll jump it down to $1.80, and we'll crush that with the jack. The jacks are gonna be 1. Oh my God! Watch this. This is insane. Watch how this works. This is crazy, because now it's gonna be jacks. There's 1, 2, 3. There's gonna be like 4 or 5 jacks. This is crazy. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 minis there on top of the line hits. Oh my gosh. That was a $60 smack right there. Hell yeah. I don't know what better way to end. Oh, come on. What are you going to throw? A 3X with the aces? Man, you are on fire. You are on fire. We won't take this below 700. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What in the hell is this? This is fun. This is intense. This is fun. All right, we're going to do 15. Yeah, let's do 15. 8, 10, or 15. Here we go. Make it happen, Moons. I want the Moons showing up. Ace. There we go. And minimum of 8X. 8 times that. This is great. Jackpot of 10. 15X. That's the best one. Hell yeah. That's 46. Pick up sticks. Ace. 8. Oh my gosh, another 15 bucks. Already at 60. Go, go. All right. So if you get one more, what it does is it actually gives you a chance to pick again. It doesn't like add 15 more games. You get to pick one of those free games again if you're lucky enough to get another. Do it! Okay, another 15 on that. That's got to be a good one. 9 bucks. Cool. Oh, it just snuck by. Last one. And nothing there. Another 60. Wow. Okay. I was gonna say nope. Oh my god. Wow. This has got to be a joke. I'm dreaming, maybe. I might have been at the casino too long right now. I just don't. Dog. Oh my god, if the dog would have hit for 50, it was just right there. Just a hair outside. What do we got? 8. So it's 8 times all of those things. Beautiful $14. Let's stop at 800. That's gonna give us 2 more hits here. The last one. Wow, what a bonus session on Cash Explosion. All right, I've got a $400 ticket here and a beautiful set. Let's see what we can get on Thunder Drums. 250 bets. Here we go. Oh, we got it right away. Yes. Come on, baby, grow it. So it's 5 cents, right? So that's 3 bucks and so forth. That's $5 a hit. Let's grow it, buddy. $10. All right, so we got 11 bucks per drum. Let's get some drums. Come on. Let's go for like 30 games. Why not? Here we go, buddy. I think you're missing your drum. There's a drum. And that's also a wild too, so every time that hits. All right. Nice. What a fun little drum. And a drum. Oh, just missed the drum. Oh no, save it. Yes! Good save, buddy. I held my breath so long. Cool. Yep, there we go. I was gonna say, how about we just do not let that get down to the last one? Let's just not let that happen. Good hit, good hit. All right, buddy. Add it all up. Drum me up. There you go. Nice. Ooh, no guitar in the front. Another 10 bucks though. All right, at 86. Next drum, if I get one more. Come on, baby. Drum me up. Drum, drum, drum. All right, save it. Oh, all right, 88 bucks. All right, that's a thick one. I'll try to back up. I'm gonna go do $1. Do 2 cents, do some bucks. And this game's a tough one to get going. You really want the blue and the green to go together in order to get a really good bonus. We'll end at 475. At least we got a bonus. And we got to experience some fun. Is that enough for one more? It is. Last one. Or is it? Okay, one more. I'm loving this. It's letting us keep going here. It's like, I got more for you. I got more for you. Do you? Do you? Crack it? Okay, that's it.